Iwashimizu Hachimangu Shrine is an ancient cultural center located in southern Kyoto. This is a place I've always wanted to come to. After I arrived at Iwashimizu Hachimangu station, I came to the cable car station. Looking at the station timetable, the cable cars run every 15 to 30 minutes. After buying the ticket, I got on a red cable car. This red cable car is called Yang no Sen, meaning the messenger of God. The Iwashimizu Hachimangu cable car is a roadway that connects the Keihan Electric Railway Iwashimizu Hachimangu Station and the Iwashimizu Hachimangu Mountain Station. This roadway has been in service since 1926 during the Taisho era and has a history of over 100 years. It was built to facilitate visitors to Iwashimizu Hachimangu Shrine and is still in normal operation today. The cable car starts running and climbs up the steep hillside. A radio introduction on the history of Iwashimizu Hachimangu Shrine and the cable car was played on the cable car. Through the window, I saw the scenery of Kyoto City below and the natural scenery of Mount Otoko. About 5 minutes later, I arrived at Iwashimizu Hachimanguyama Station. This is a great viewpoint overlooking the Kyoto Basin. After I got off the cable car, I walked along the shrine. There were many shops selling souvenirs and snacks on both sides. After walking for a while, I saw a majestic torii gate. This is the main entrance of Iwashimizu Hachimangu Shrine, and it is also a national treasure level building. Passing through the torii gate, you will see the magnificent main shrine, which is also a national treasure. Various buildings have colorful carved beams, which are exquisite and gorgeous. I took the cable car down the mountain and took the Keihan Electric Railway. Keihan Electric Railway has limited express trains and limited express trains, but please note that only local trains and limited express trains stop at Iwashimizu Hachimangu Station. It took about 40 minutes from Kyoto to arrive at Iwashimizu Hachimangu Station. I rode the double-decker tram. The seats are finished in black with red seat covers. I sat on the upper floor and could see the views of Kyoto and Osaka City along the way. The seats are comfortable and the ride is completed effortlessly.